Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna do a little scooter vlog, as you can see. And it's a bit windy, but I hope you can hear me anyways. I'm also trying out a new microphone, the DJI Mic Mini, because the Mic 2 that I have is a bit too big in my helmet, and it touched my lips almost, but this one has a lot more room because it's so small. So I hope it sounds good even though it's windy. I can also tell you that I have pre-ordered the canvas system for my 3D printer because it released this Monday, or the pre-orders released, and they say that it's the estimated shipping time is June the 30th, but I think they are gonna send it way before that, just like they did with the printer. So I will hopefully be receiving that in maybe a month or so. I would say half of June at the latest, probably. And then I'm gonna do the unboxing and installation of that. Also, another reason why I got the Mic Mini was that they are like 25 euros right now. Mostly because the Mic Mini 2 is released, and I also think they lowered the price a while before that, but yeah, it's pretty cheap for a microphone that works this well, or at least I hope it works well. I haven't heard it yet myself, but I have the gain set to -12. I also hope it stays inside my helmet, because the clip on this mic was a bit shorter than on the Mic 2. But when I pushed it all the way down, I felt like it was pretty steady, so I think it will hold. And if you're wondering why I'm driving this slow, it's because the run that I'm doing right now is pretty long, so I want to save some battery. So I'm just in second gear and doing about 30. If I would be in third gear, it would probably use all the power to try to get to 45, and now the wind is from right ahead, so it would be a bit much. Now it's from the left, but it's because it's sunny, then it's most of the time it gets windy in the afternoon, so that's why it's windy right now. It's like 3 o'clock, I think, or 15. I haven't really checked, but somewhere around there. And here you can see a bit of water. I'm still at 48 volts and I'm almost halfway, so it feels safe at least. Here you can see a little robot mower. It had the same decals as mine. The ladybug, the Husqvarna official decals. Here you can see it's pretty windy, and someone else has stopped at the bus stop, so I'm not gonna stop there, but I think you should be able to see. So I'm actually gonna stop here. I don't know if you can hear the waves because of my settings, but they are loud. So yeah, it's a bit windy. Soon I'll also find out if I have to stop at the red light, because they are digging fiber here right now, so at least on work days there's a traffic light here. I have 9 kilometers on the trip right now. What do I have in total? 318. It's not that much, but I also don't really have any good places to ride, so I just like it here next to the sea, so that's why I chose this run or route right now. Oh, that's really bumpy. And I also feel like I'm still lisping because this helmet is a bit too small, but also the XL ones are too big, so it's better to have a tight helmet. And as you can see, they are not working today because the digger is right here. But it's nice that they are finally getting fiber in the countryside as well. We might also be getting fiber soon, but our neighbors are getting it, but we live too far away from our neighbors, so the last house that gets fiber is the closest neighbors, which are around 200 meters away from us. But I hope we can get it later then, and we probably have to pay more, but also the other ones, they pay 15 euros a month and nothing for installation or so on. 15 euros plus the speed. And it was like, I think they had Bahnhof gigabit fiber for 18 euros a month for 1.5 years or 18 months. Or was it even cheaper? It was like 15 euros maybe for 18 months, and that's really cheap for gigabit. It's usually around 50 euros per month. So yeah, I hope we get fiber as well soon, but maybe next year if we're lucky. The 5G it's okay, but it's not ideal. I'm still at 46 volts, so it feels pretty safe. But this was just supposed to be a short scooter vlog where I give you some info on what's going on, and I've had a little break, you could almost say, because it's been a month since my last video, and that's just because I don't really have any content right now, because I haven't really been able to ride the scooter before now, and so the next project or content is probably gonna be the canvas system that I get in like somewhere in June, like I said. But yeah, I'll try to upload every other Sunday like I usually do. And here you can also see a bit of the sea. I hope the microphone has sounded good, hopefully. But it was also cheap, but I know that the Mic Mini is good. So it should be good enough for doing these videos. It's at least better than nothing. But yeah, I think that was all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.